What's going on, guys? Welcome to another YouTube episode. I am Luis, and today we are dealing with the Subaru because the stupid TPMS sensors are going off. And I found out that when we switch from the OEM wheels to the aftermarket ones that we had, the black Rhinos, the TPMS sensors that we put on the black Rhinos are not compatible with the newer 2022 Outback. So I have to go and take the old tires, the OEMs, to Discount Tire so they can take the TPMS sensors out of those and put them into the aftermarket black Rhinos. And not only that, we are also dealing with a flat tire. And I did some investigation, and looks like we have a nail on the inside of the wheel somewhere around here. That means that Discount Tire will be able to repair it, no problem. With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and take this tire out, and I'm gonna go ahead and replace it with one of the OEMs. Discount Tire is not too far from here, so even though they're different sizes, I'm gonna drive really slow so that way it doesn't affect the car very much. And I'm gonna go ahead and swap those out, and then I'm gonna go ahead and throw those and this tire into the back of the car and head down to Discount Tire. So let's get it going. Now that we got the tires in the back and we changed out the flat tire for the OEM, it's time to head down to Discount Tire and once and for all take care of this TPMS sensor on the dash and also get that flat fixed. Let's go. So I just checked in a Discount and everything is set to go. Be about 45 minutes. So I am just chilling outside because it's a beautiful day. And I don't really like sitting in buildings with air conditioning because it gets too cold for me. It's probably that southwest part of me that's coming out in that regard. So I am just gonna wait out here and spend some time. There she is. Good old Fern. Just gonna chill out here and enjoy the beautiful weather out here in Kansas City. Just wrapping up here at Discount Tire. Everything is all set. They took care of me. The TPMS light is now off of the dash. I've been staring at that thing for the last 6 months, ever since I put the aftermarket wheels onto the Subaru, and now I don't have to stare at it anymore. They ended up taking the TPMS sensors from the OEM tires and putting them into the aftermarket ones, because the ones that I had on the aftermarket wheels when I first bought them are not compatible with the newer 2022 Subarus. We did have a 2015 Outback. The TPMS sensors are at a different frequency, so that's why we had the light come on. That should take care of that. They also took care of the flat tire. We did end up having a nail. They've repaired that for free. They rotated the tires, they balanced them, they made sure we had enough air pressure. And I just love Discount Tire. I've been going to them for over a decade and they always take care of me. I've never had any issues with them. They've been awesome. They are the people to go to. They are the people that I trust most. Also, they rock and put our old OEM tires in bags, so that way the inside of the car doesn't get dirty. We can go ahead and store them when we get to the house, put them up in my attic. Definitely gonna have my wife help me with that, because that's gonna be a little bit of a challenging task, but I'm sure we'll figure it out. Thanks guys for watching. I will see you then, or I'll see you another time. No more TPMS sensor. Bye bye.